Are you looking for an eBay or Craigslist alternative? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you a place that you can use if you're struggling a little bit on eBay or even Craigslist. I'm going to introduce you to a site that I just heard about. Actually, I didn't even post on it yet. That's why I'm shooting this video out, because it's really cool. A friend of mine actually has been selling on this site for several months now, making some nice extra money. Not only is he using this site to make extra money, he's actually using this site to buy other stuff very, very cheaply and reselling it in other places. So the site could be something that can really help you out. And the site I'm talking about is called LetGo. Alright, maybe you heard of it, maybe you haven't, but if you haven't heard of it, or you've heard of it and you haven't been using it, you might want to check it out if you're into selling goods. If you have things, a lot of times on eBay or especially Craigslist, you start off by selling things that you already own and you just want to get rid of, you need some extra money or whatever, you can actually sell it on LetGo. Looked at the site, they got pretty much any category that will work better for you. Like if you're trying to sell a stereo system, or you're trying to sell a video game console, you're trying to sell boxing gloves, golf clubs, iPhones, cell phones, whatever, they're on there. Now it's a very, very simple site. It's a very, very simple design, and it's mainly an app. You can use it from your desktop or laptop, but usually, like even when I first heard about it, I downloaded the app. So I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. It's a free app. You can check it out. Once you join, all you do is put your email, password, create your account, and then you can just start posting. Like I said, I haven't even posted yet because it's so fresh in my head right now, but I'm pretty sure there's no fees for selling. I think it's pretty much towards like Craigslist rather than eBay. I'm not 100% sure, but my dude, I think he would have told me if they take a good cut out of whatever he makes. So I'm pretty sure it's more like Craigslist, where you know, you post stuff, you want to make a good description of whatever you're selling, and you want to take good pictures, and you want to offer a decent price, whatever you want. And another thing, the prices are negotiable, so you can list something for $50 and somebody could offer you $30, and you could be like, all right, cool, I'll take it. You know what I mean? So guys, another alternative for you. Or not only is it an alternative, you can just add it to what you're already doing. You know, add it to your Craigslist. You know, take the things you got on Craigslist, put it on LetGo, maybe put some things on eBay, and you can put it on LetGo. Alright, so hopefully this site helped you out. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description somewhere to LetGo, the app. You can download it, take a look, get started with it. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm up here bringing that content. Alright, till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.